here.
네.
네. 여기 저는 지금 네팔에 있고 네팔에서 저에게 싱잉볼과 이 명상에 대해서 알려주고 계신, 가르쳐주고 계신 수아미 선생님을 모셨습니다. 네, please say hello to the Korean friends.
Hello. Namaste.
Namaste.
To all Korean friends. I'm Swami Padmasattu from Nepal.
네.
I do teaching, meditation, singing bowl, Tibetan way of singing bowl, Nepali Himalayan singing bowl, and sound healing, and meditation, and a higher level of music healing also we are practicing and we are learning here in Nepal.
Yes. So, 수아미 선생님은 굉장히 유명하신 손에 꼽히시는 이런 명상 지도자이시고 싱잉볼 티처세요. 제가 특별히 배움을 받으면서 특별히 부탁을 해서 모시게 됐습니다. 그래서 오늘 선생님에게 어떤 메시지를 요청을 드렸는데 4가지 사운드 힐링에 대한 메시지를 전해주고 싶다고 하셨습니다. Please give us some message about sound healing.
Okay. Thank you, Sumo. She is good student also. She is good practitioner also. She also encouraged me to speak such a beautiful word. I am happy to teaching such a sound healing. It's a very ancient type of sound healing here in Nepal, which is related to Vajrayana and Nada Yoga. Nada is a yoga of sound, which is related to yoga of sound. Sound and vibration, and there is emotion we have, intelligence we have, and we have a power and strength, 3 main energy, power and strength, emotion, love and emotion, and intelligence, which help you to realize in enlightenment. That we do and practice, and we try to understand when we practice Himalayan sound healing, which is related to such type of ball. We are using this type of ball. This sound is a very deep sound. This sound goes very deep inside us. Such type of sound healing makes you deep relaxation, healing and relaxation, and that is related to Himalayan singing bowl healing. Other level of sound healing is related to Tibetan way of sound healing, which is related to meditation and enlightenment. Same like Om Mani Padme Hum mantra and many spiritual practice we do with the sound, singing bowl and some type of drum. We are using drum. And this healing help us to enlighten. That help us to realize who am I, what am I, where am I. So, I welcome you all the Korean friends. Please, this try it once. And if you wish to contact this type of healing, try to contact with Sumo.
Sound is very important for the meditation and relaxation and realizing.
Yes, sound is the main source. So that's why we call Om. Om is related to omnipresent. It is everywhere. That is related to silence. Silence. And that silence is the source of all the sounds. Silence is the creator of universe. So all the religion, all the spiritual masters also, they understand this silence, the source, our source. And then when they can enlighten through the sound also. That is very difficult to enlighten, very difficult to liberate, to go to nirvana. That sound helps us to lead us to go to nirvana.
Thank you. So sound we use for the meditation and realization.
Yes.
That's because.
Yeah. So that's why
that's very
basic level of
effective.
Very effective. The sound is very important and effective sound. And so that's why we are chanting also. Chanting mantra also sound. Another sound is listening inside your silence, listening also sound. Thinking also sound. We are thinking also vibration in our mind level, feeling also vibration at your feeling level, emotion level. Power and strength also sound, which gives you very strength, big vibration, and you walk, you run here and there. Everything is related to sound. Sound is everywhere. Sound is everything.
Sound is everything. Sound is energy.
Yeah, energy.
Energy everywhere.
Everywhere.
Thank you. That's very important theory. That's very meaningful
Yeah.
for us.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank you very much.
much.
Thank you. It is the sound, singing bowl,
And vibration.
vibration, and it goes very high level of intelligence that lead you to realize. It's F valve, it is Shiva. The F valve and Shiva, there is a relation. It's a Shiva is the fifth note, F valve is the first note. So there is a fifth note relation. Big combination. It is a perfect fifth. Perfect fifth. There is a relation, good relation.
Yes.
Good. It is called male and female also. And the male and female. It's a male female is a male is a half body. Female is a half body. When together, it's a full body. Same like a, it's a big, good combination, good sound.
F and C.
F and C. It's F and C. It's a good combination. It's a first note F and fifth note is a C. So that is a perfect fifth relation. So which gives you very joyful, and you enjoy this sound, and that helps you to realize, and that makes you happy forever.
Yeah, with this vibration.
Yes.
And sound.
Yes.
And it touch our chakra.
Chakras also, normally it gives you good feeling.
Good feeling. With vibration.
With vibration.
Yeah, I can feel the vibration.
Yeah.
And I can feel relaxed.
Yes. Good sound, good feeling, good resonance.